So as you can see, I made my way down to North Carolina and I hit up Social Status. I was down there for Dreamville Fest, so if you can Google Dreamville Fest and you will know the timeline of this purchase and how far behind I am with the video. But hey man, better late than never. As you can see, you got an Asics box. Nothing too crazy, but I mean every pickup doesn't have to be crazy. Every pickup doesn't have to be hype, man. You need a clean shoe that you can rock and look good in. So, you know, hey, this is one of those pickups. This is one of those shoes or one of the colorways that I've been seeing for a while. You know, just looking at different prices, waiting for them to go down. And with the Social Status, that location, pretty small location, but they had a lot of good options. They just didn't have a lot of good sizing options for me. You know, I'm a 12, 12 and a half. Depending on the shoe, I might do a 13. So, you know, it was slim pickings. So I was just going around the store like, you got these, got these, got these, got these. Then I landed on these. It was this one, and it was like it's a dark charcoal pair. I think they came in a pack because it's like literally the same material, just two different colors. But I mean, this one caught my eye. I think I ended up paying $99. That's with tax and everything. So I want to say they were on sale for like 93, 90, somewhere around there. But y'all don't care about that, man. Let's get into the shoe. So we get the Asics Gel Lyte III OG. Yeah, I'm glad I picked these up because you can never go wrong with a neutral shoe. I don't know if that is drowning out in the light, but let me give you that close up real quick. Hey, shout out to Asics, man. Like Asics, Saucony, New Balance. The leather and the suede they put in their shoes. Premium, man. I'm at premium. And you can get it for the low. You get premium material for the low, man. It's beautiful. The official colorway is feather gray. Feather gray, okay. I don't know where the gray comes in, but you know, I feel like the darker pair is more gray than these. Maybe you can see something in the camera that I can't. Let me know down in the comments. Is this gray, or am I tripping? Because I thought it was like a tan. You know, maybe sail khaki something like that. Not gray, but feather gray. That's okay. You learn something new every day. But yeah, Gel Lyte 3s. You know, the famous split tongue, which I'm a fan of. I've always been a fan of since the first pair of Asics I bought back in college. I don't know what it was, but I say it in like every Asics video, man. Like that split tongue just, I don't know, I just gravitate towards it. Then you got the all suede upper. Like I said, it's one like a monochrome type joint. So any different materials, and you don't get any different shades, honestly. It's just one piece, you know, and I am fine with that. This is definitely clean. I'm a fan of monochromatic silhouettes or monochromatic like shoe colorways because you can just wear basically almost anything. You know, you don't have to like try to coordinate because you know this is like the statement piece, and then you just get something that's toned down and let the shoe speak for itself. Personally, I like monochromatic, you know, loud colors like a fully neon shoe, all red shoe, of course. I know black technically, but like I don't consider that black or white. I don't consider that like a monochromatic joint. It has to be like tan, gray, silver, orange, something like that. But yeah, definitely a fan. You know, with the spring or summer, whatever you want to call it, coming up, the Asics definitely a good shoe. Even though this is suede, I'm not sure how breathable it'll be for like those hot days. But you just got to use your judgment, you know, even if you want to throw it on like a spring, summer night type thing, you know. I don't know about like an 80, 85 degree weather day because the material, but you know, end of the day, they're Asics, they're comfortable, and you're good to go regardless. I would definitely recommend spraying some Jason Mark, some Rejuvenator, some Crep, whatever, Scotch Guard, whatever you do to protect your shoes, especially the suede. I would definitely do that, man. You don't want to mess these up. But this really is not much to this sneaker. Like I said, all one color, all one material. You know, you get feather gray throughout and you get suede throughout. You get embroidery right there with the Asics Gel. You get Gel Lyte III right here, same color, so it's hard to see from far away. If somebody's this close on your shoe, man, you need to get them up off you. Then on the insole, I guess this is I guess you can call this different color. You know, it's kind of darker, but you get the Asics Gel insole in there. You know, low key Dr. Scholl's type, since it is a running shoe technically. But yeah, overall I'm satisfied. Shout out to Raleigh, man. Shout out North Carolina. They really showed love. It's been a while since I've been down there, but I think, you know, Dreamville is gonna be a yearly trip at this point, because it was fun, man. I definitely enjoyed myself. If you went to Dreamville and you watched this video, man, comment down below. But yeah, shout out to Social Status. First time ever stepping foot in there. Dope store. Reminds me of like Commonwealth or Cream, like typical boutiques. You know, the DJ they had a live DJ in there, and it was crazy. That was dope. They had her on like the little stage joint right by the window. It was going crazy. So it was fun, man. Nice vibes, you know, good experience, especially with the weekend and everything I was down there for. Had a great time. But yeah, it's gonna do it for this one. Copped another sneaker for the low that I was looking for. So it's always nice to have a shoe on your radar, and then you can get it, especially for under retail. Beautiful thing. Appreciate y'all for watching.